Welcome to the WordPress Theme Development Academy using Bootstrap. This is a fully updated WordPress theme development course using WordPress version 5 and the Bootstrap 4 framework. If you want to take your WordPress skills to the next level, learning theme development is perfect for this. It will allow you to build custom WordPress websites that look and feel exactly how you want them to. It will also give you an advantage over other WordPress developers using pre-built themes and trying to customize them to fit exactly what they are trying to build. And this is what you'll be able to build by the end of this course. By the end of this, you'll be able to build almost any type of new website which you want using WordPress, or take any existing website and convert it to a WordPress theme. So what exactly is a WordPress theme? Well, to see what WordPress can do, let's take a look at some examples. This is the blog page for the theme we're going to build together. We have the header at the top, linking to the home and blog pages, a site title, a header image, and a text overlay. Then below this we have the blog post listed on the left, and then the sidebar on the right. Next, using the exact same version of WordPress and the exact same content, all I have done here is switch to a different theme at the click of a button. This has the same blog post, and we can also see the page links are the same, but a completely different look and feel. Again, switching the theme once more, this is how we'll look using another pre-built theme. This completely changes our blog page and all the other pages on our site. Also the same for this example too, completely changing the feel of our WordPress site. In this course, we won't just be doing the bare minimum WordPress theme. We will begin by creating a static HTML and CSS version of this theme using Bootstrap 4. Learning Bootstrap is also a valuable skill in itself, but then we move on to setting up WordPress and looking at exactly what is needed to convert this site to a theme. We cover all of the steps, including some of the more advanced and challenging concepts, such as custom fields, theme translation, custom search forms, using hooks, and also some custom functions to get the exact functionality which we want. So if you want to get serious about WordPress theme development, enroll in this course and I will see you in class.